Okay, in this video we are going to be covering how to install the PickUp plugin for WordPress. So you should already have a zip file from a member of the PickUp team. If not, reach out to one of us and we can provide that for you. So once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate over to plugins. And then we're going to click Add New in the top left corner. And we want to upload a plugin. So now we'll be given this upload form here, and you don't want to unzip the zip file that has been provided to you. We're going to upload the whole zip file. So we'll go ahead and navigate to that here. All right, and you can see we have pickup embed.zip. So I'm going to go ahead and hit install now. And we can activate. And you can see here we're on version 1.0. And it's always a good idea to have auto updates enabled for this plugin because we will be rolling out any bug fixes that we encounter or small updates and things like that. We will never be integrating any breaking changes, so you don't need to worry about this breaking your instance. That being said, if you do come across anything that does look a little odd or isn't working as expected, feel free to reach out to us and let us know. So we have installed the plugin here now. And so if we hover over settings, you'll see now that we have pickup settings. So we want to click in here and you'll have this form field right here. And this should be provided to you by a pickup team member. You'll enter in your publisher ID and the access token so that you can communicate with our servers. And then you can just hit save. And you should see a message here that says it was saved. And that's it. You should be installed and ready to rock and roll.